Hey there, Michael here from YAHSHUA Payroll Solutions. Today, I'll be showing you how to use the new chat feature in YAHSHUA Payroll and how to submit your own ticket in YAHSHUA Payroll. First, let's take a look at the new chat feature in YAHSHUA Payroll. You'll notice here in the lower right-hand corner, we now have this chat widget. Let's zoom in and let's click on it. When we click, we see here the option to start a new chat. Just enter here your name and your email and click Start Chat. When you click Start Chat, our AI chatbot will automatically reply and find answers to your questions. So for now, let's say I have a problem with my timekeeper. I don't know how to set it up. So let's ask our AI chatbot to give us the answer. I can type here, I need help setting up my mobile timekeeper, and press enter. Now our AI chatbot gives us the answer that we need to get our timekeeper mobile set up. Okay, great. Now, in the cases when the AI chatbot is unable to answer your question, you can always ask it that you would like to chat with a human. So here we can type, I'd like to chat with a human. And just like that, the AI will then notify all of our payroll consultants for your request. As you can see here, you'll see there, you're being transferred. Okay, once our payroll consultants are notified, they'll begin to chat with you in this chat inbox. Okay, this new chat widget has a lot more features up its sleeve. Let's take a look at one more. If we click on this arrow to exit the conversation and go here to search for answers, you'll be able to type any question that you may have and you'll see related articles to your question. So say for example, if I type here schedules, it'll automatically give me recommendations of articles about schedules. So say I want to create a new schedule, I can click on this and it will give me a quick rundown on how to create a schedule, how to duplicate schedule, how to edit schedule, and etc. And so that's the new chat feature in YAHSHUA Payroll Solutions. Next, let's take a look at how to submit our own tickets in YAHSHUA Payroll. Okay, to start submitting tickets in YAHSHUA Payroll, we need first to head over to our Help Center. To do that, let's click on the Help Center right on the upper navigation. You'll find it right beside your profile. So let's click on Help Center. When you click on Help Center, you'll be redirected to our Help Center page. Now here in the Help Center page, you'll also find other related articles to YAHSHUA Payroll. So for example, if I would like to learn more about settings, I can type here Settings. And it'll automatically give me results for everything under Settings. Pretty nifty, right? Now we're not here to read articles, but rather we're here to submit a ticket. To do that, let's click on Submit Ticket on the upper right-hand corner. Let's click on this, and this dialog box will appear. Let's type in our name, our email, our subject, and the message. And then let's make sure that we're not a robot, and submit request. Once your ticket has been submitted, you will receive a confirmation email to confirm that your ticket has been received. Okay, in this video, we've learned how to use the new chat feature in YAHSHUA Payroll. We've also explored about Knowledge Base and the Help Center to look up new articles. And we've also learned how to submit our own tickets in YAHSHUA Payroll. We hope this video has been helpful. If you have any further questions, leave them down in the comments below. And we can't wait to see you next time. God bless you.